It's time to grab your slow cooker because we're going to be making this super delicious creamed corn. This is such a delicious side dish that is so easy to make. We're going to show you exactly how we put this all together. And as always, we show all the ingredients in the description of the video below. Let's get rolling here. Julie is getting things started with some frozen sweet corn. She just added in 16 ounces, but you can certainly add in a few more ounces if you need to. Next, she's got some cream cheese, and that's 8 ounces here that she's going to throw right on top of that corn, just like so. Next into the pot is a stick of butter, and that is a half a cup of butter. We've got our 2% milk standing by, and we're going to use a half a cup of this right into that pot as well. There we go, lovely. And now it's time to add in that salt and pepper. This you just do to your own liking, but you certainly do want to add it here so it spends that full time cooking, absorbing into the corn. We also like to add in 1 tablespoon of sugar here, just for a little bit more sweetness, but it's certainly not essential. Alright, we've got everything in the slow cooker. Let's put on the lid. We're going to set this on low, and we're going to let this go for 4 hours. At about the halfway point, we do open this up and give it a quick stir, but that's only because we were home this day. If you're not there, you don't have to necessarily do this, but it's nice to do if you're around. And we'd certainly be honored if you click that subscribe button for more video content like this. Alright, we're going to go another 2 hours on this, and that's what it looks like when we're done. When this is fully cooked, we're going to give this one nice stir. You can actually serve this right out of the pot if you've got no other place to put this, but otherwise you can place that into a bowl and serve from there. This is one of those side dishes that is super easy to make and adds in another great option for all of your guests at whatever gathering you have. Oh look, we're done already. But hey, if you want to see another video from our channel, you can click that video right up there. If you have another favorite side dish, we'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And until next time, God bless.